Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to update your account name on Podia. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in podia.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Podia if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top side of the screen, we have the site, blog, product, community, email, audience, and sales. In the top right corner, we have, as you can see, your profile and your messages. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and update your account name on Podia. So first of all, go to the Podia website and log into your account as I told you in the start of the video. Then click on your profile icon in the top right corner, which we just went through, so here. And of course, click on the settings button. Then here, when you're in the settings, as you can see, in the settings menu, find the option to edit your profile. As you can see, we can do that, but you can also go and click on here and click on account. And here, as you can see, you have your details. You can change your first name, your last name, and of course, a lot more information. After that, you just need to go and click save changes. And of course, your name will be then updated. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.